Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's update our current view on the euro currency and start as usual from the daily time frame. The trend holds bearish here. I do not have the indicator of the trend on the daily time frame right now, but the trend still the same as it was yesterday. It stands on the bearish side of the market. So what do we see? Market hasn't quite reached the 618 extension target, that is the minor target of this ABCD pattern, and probably, as we could see already many times, and I have said many times about that, market very rare left some significant target beyond the price action. Before any retracement, solid retracement, market usually gravitates to the target when it has hit it. Only after that some retracement comes. And now on the daily time frame we see that 618 extension hasn't been quite touched by the price action. That is some small point in the favor of the bears, that probably market still could show some deeper continuation to the weekly pivot support 1 and to the 618 extension target. It's right here. Well, nothing more I could say about the daily time frame. So all things that could be common here we have already discussed during the previous updates. So currently just the one moment that I would like to attract your attention to. It's that market not quite hit this area that we have suggested yesterday is the minor target. It's the potential target of the current week. Some area between this area, this target and monthly pivot point. Something in this area. Okay, now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame we see that market, as we suggested, has reached precisely 127 extension. Since we said this thrusting move usually leads to the continuation of the shallow retracement, that retracement has happened. Market is moved down to the 127 and has hit it almost pips to pips, and now has turned to another side of the retracement. So we can see the swings become less and less for each leg. For this initial great swing, retracement, smaller swing, retracement again, more smaller swing and retracement again, and retracement has become a bit greater than this one. This tells that some pressure on the market now is growing, and market has some more barrier for downward continuation. Another moment to keep in mind, it's just we're approaching to the end of the week, and we have to keep an eye on how market will close compares relatively to this line, that is the upper resistance area for the weekly pattern. If it will close below it, then it will probably mean that market could show the downward continuation on the coming week, on the next week. Well, also 1618 extension target, as we said yesterday, stands in the same area as the daily 618. So that's very close. And particularly this moment makes me think that there are some chances still exist that market could reach this area. But currently, since market has started some retracement to the upside, it's very difficult to say that it has to happen. Well, probably this could happen, but currently I can't say that it definitely will happen. Trend on the 4-hour time frame has turned to the bullish side. Now we have significant resistance above current market. So take a look, that is some sort of the confluence resistance, 134, 3004 for 130.20 area. That also includes the weekly pivot point and previous swing low in this area. So that will be significant area of resistance. If market still intends to continue move to the downside, probably it should not break this area to the upside. It should hold below it, because this retracement to the upside will be too much for development of this ABCD pattern, and before the hit 1618 That retracement will be nice if, for instance, it has happened after hitting 1618, but before that it will look a bit too extended. So that's why I suppose that during today's trading session that area will become very significant. Also, when we take a look at the hourly time frame, you'll see why I think so. Here we have a bullish trend on the hourly time frame, some sort of the consolidation. Well, take a look at this pattern. A, B, C bottom, initial ABCD retracement, 100% extension stands precisely in the 130.04. That in agreement. Take a look at the development. That was thrusting move, fast bounce, and now we have gradual choppy price action to the upside. That is very similar to that one. And in general, this price action, if you will drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart, you will see that it's very choppy. That is not the reversal probably, at least currently. So if market will show some thrusting acceleration, fast, just explosive moves to the upside, well, in this case, probably yes, we could say that this is not just a retracement. At least that will be the sign that we should not try to enter on the short side of the market. But at least currently, I do not see that. So that is mostly some sort of the retracement price action from the some support area, and that is a level to watch for. Also, you can see that 127 extension also stands in the same area, and if you will measure the 127 extension of that swing to the downside, the resistance of 127 extension to the upside will be stands also in that area. So 130.04, 130.20 area is the major area to watch for in the shortest period of time during the trading session, and look how market will respond around this area. So if market, for instance, will coil around this area trying to break it and returns right back below this low, returns right back to the downside, that probably will mean that market is ready to continue move to the 1618 extension. If it will break it, then sit on your hands, do not enter on the short side of the market. Well, speaking about long entry, well, it's difficult to say something definite since we now do not have any signs of the potential bullish continuation to the upside, no patterns. It's very difficult to tell something about that. We need to see how market will start to develop in this direction. Probably maybe tomorrow we will be able to do that. But for today's trading session, I suppose we will be focused on just now hitting with some 100% extension, maybe 127, how market will behave in that area, and what is more important, how market will behave up to that area. So if market will return right back below this low, then probably in this case our plan that market still could reach the 1618 target, and at the same time 618 on the daily time frame will be still valid. So that's almost all that I would like to say for today in today's video research. So good luck to you, and keep an eye on these levels, and don't be hasty. Wait for the clear development of the situation. Wait for the some clarification from the market, what its attitude to this resistance, because this is really will be significant during today's trading session.